Decoding the term green fee in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase that might leave some scratching their heads: green fee. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and context perfectly. The term green fee consists of two words, green and fee. Green. In the context of golf, a green is the final, closely mowed area around the hole where players aim to putt the ball into. Fee. A fee is a payment made in exchange for a service. Combining the meanings of the two words, a green fee is the amount of money a golfer pays to play on a golf course. It's essential to understand that this fee allows the golfer to play one round of golf, typically 18 holes. Why is it important for golf courses? This fee helps maintain the golf course, which includes keeping the greens in top condition. You might come across this term in various situations. 1. Booking a golf game. If you're looking to play golf, especially at a course that isn't your regular club, you'll likely have to pay a green fee. 2. Golf promotions and advertisements. Often, golf courses might run promotions offering discounted green fees or special packages that include green fees. 3. Conversations with golf enthusiasts. If you're talking to someone who loves playing golf, they might mention how much they paid in green fees at a particular course. So there you have it. The term green fee demystified. The next time you hear it, you'll know precisely what it means and the context behind it. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep expanding your language horizons, and we'll see you in the next video.